99 Buick LeSabre 3.8 liter. Got a quick video on how to replace the PCV valve, also known as the positive crankcase ventilation valve. First thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and pop your hood. Go ahead and locate the release tab right here. And go ahead and bring your hood up. So the PCV valve is going to be right under here, but we need to remove this engine cover to access it a little better. So go ahead and pull off your engine fill cap here, and then your filler neck. Just go ahead and untwist this, and that comes off of there. Go ahead and lift up on your cover and pull this off of there. And then you can just go ahead and replace your cap here for now so nothing falls down in there. So your PCV valve is located directly underneath this map sensor here. So it's right down inside of there. So what you need to do is go ahead and unplug your map sensor. So you got this wiring harness right here. So go ahead and lift that up and pull outwards with that. That'll release there. And you can see that this one's actually broke right there. This plastic just kind of gets brittle. But what you want to do is we need to rotate this, so twist it counterclockwise. Try to do this without breaking it. There we go. So it's better to just kind of grab right here than up here, because you will snap this plastic. So you twist that and then just go ahead and lift up on here. And you can see there's the big spring and all that. And then your PCV valve is right down in there. So then go ahead and grab a pair of pliers and we'll go ahead and pull up on our PCV valve. And that just pops out of there like that. And so not sure if you saw that, but something else flew out when I pulled that up. So this is just the O-ring that goes around the PCV valve right there. But we also need to pull out this orange O-ring because I am going to be replacing that as well. So I may need to get a pick for that. So just get you a pick, get up underneath this and pull that out. So now we'll take a look at the old PCV valve and then our new one. So the old one is still, you can hear the rattle, so you know it's good, but it's just clogged with a bunch of oil and carbon. So figure we'll just go ahead and replace it. And this is that O-ring that popped off when I pulled it out of there. And then this is going to be the map sensor here. So I ended up buying the whole kit, which includes all this except for the map sensor. And I went with the CarQuest Premium. This is from Advanced Auto Parts. And I was surprised at how cheap this was. This was only $3.50. So I'll put a link in the description for it. But you can see there's the part number, PCA1004. And like I said, it includes everything except for the map sensor. So for $3.50, I thought that was pretty good. And then it also comes with an updated version of this, because you see the old one, like I said, was broken. So this must be more of an updated version of it. And then you get your new PCV valve with that O-ring and new spring, and then the orange O-ring's already on there. So let's go ahead and get this old map sensor out of here. So this should just pop out of here. So yeah, that pops out of there, and it looks like this O-ring is kind of torn there. So hopefully that's still okay though. It's just a little piece of it. So we'll go ahead and get this into here. So this should just kind of snap into here. So you got both sides here, so try and spread these apart if you can. And looks like I may need to turn it this way. There we go. So you want to get that turned the right direction there, and then that just kind of pops in and is just kind of held in there like that. Grab your spring. This is just gonna pop in there. And grab your PCV valve. Let's go ahead and stick this in. So go ahead and drop in your new PCV valve. Again, make sure that green O-ring's on there. And I went ahead and just kind of wiped this out with a rag there, just get some of that oil residue out of there. We'll go ahead and drop this down in there. And we'll push it down on it just to make sure it kind of seats in there. There we go. And then go ahead and grab your map sensor here. Drop that on there. And then you can try and use your thumbs. That's probably going to be the easiest. Use your two thumbs, press down, and then try and turn that clockwise as you're pressing down. There we go. Turn that clockwise, and that kind of locks it into place there. Go ahead and plug in your map sensor. Make sure that clicks. And that's all there is to it. And then go ahead and get your oil fill cap off here. We'll get our engine cover back into place. And this tab here is going to go underneath that little portion there. Get that lined up, grab your filler neck, twist that on there, and get your cap on. So that'll be it for the video. Again, this was a 1999 Buick LeSabre. Went ahead and replaced the PCV valve, also known as the positive crankcase ventilation valve. Simple to do on these cars. I'm hoping that this video helps you out. If it does, hit that subscribe button. Check out my other videos. I got a bunch on this car, and I'll see you next time. Thanks.